In this video I'm going to show you how to plate up the rosewater creme brulee. We've got it here in the kilner jar. We just need to add the crunchy garnish to the top. So we're just going to open the jar. And in the kit here we've got some honey roasted pine nuts and we've got a sugar twill. So you can't really burn a creme brulee on an airplane, so we're just going to improvise with our crunchy sugar garnish. So we've got a disc that represents the top, and we're just going to lay that on so you still get to break through into the cream underneath. So I'm just going to bring in my plate, then we're just going to put the creme brulee on, and we've also got some lavender shortbread biscuits, so it's a nice floral flavoured dessert. I'm just going to serve them by the sides, and there we've got rosewater creme brulee with lavender shortbreads.